DHAI Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I've been looking at DIH Holding, and yeah, it's cooked, definitely cooked. I've made more videos than anyone else in this space regarding like these types of videos. I mean, you don't have to spend 5 years and 5 figures like I did, but on courses and mentors, generally speaking, my 2 cents on this is still a bearish market. One heck of a bearish market. Previously, I mean, I called it out to the dot. And here is that. It's like 2 weeks ago. Only got 18 views, which sucks. It sucks. Why am I even making videos? But yeah, it delivered. So at least that's something. Just gonna mark down the lows. Okay, down we have the top as well. And only if the price reaches and gives me some sort of double break am I going to be able to sell even more. But if there is a break above 24, then it's a different game. Stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, if you want to stay tuned with DHAI, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.